If you just unboxed your HP LaserJet Enterprise M507 or you're struggling to connect it to your office or home network, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to walk you through the complete step-by-step process for connecting your M507 printer to your wireless network. And if you need more guidance along the way, feel free to call the numbers on the screen for real-time assistance from a printer expert. Alright, let's start with the process. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, go ahead and attach the LAN cable to the back of the printer. Go to the touchscreen panel of your printer and tap on the eye icon at the top and tap on the Ethernet option. After that, you will see the printer is now showing the IP address. What you should do now is print this page by clicking on the print icon. If you have completed these steps, it means you're doing well. And if you're finding these steps easy to follow, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's continue with the further steps. On the touch panel, select Settings and tap Networking. After that, tap on Direct Wi-Fi option and then select Status. Next, you will see the on and off radio buttons. Select the on option and then tap OK. What you should do now is head back to the home screen and tap on the eye icon once again. After that, select Wi-Fi Direct and look for the password. Go ahead and turn Wi-Fi on your phone and then tap on HP M507 printer name. Simply enter the password you saw earlier and tap on the Join button at the top right corner to complete the setup process. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.